Hey, just wanted to stop in and talk real quick about tenant demographic and how it is so important and makes our life so much easier as investors. So I'm Tiffany from Investor Life. We are investors ourselves, and we help other investors scale their portfolios and hopefully be able to manage them long term so that real wealth can kick in. This property here, I'm going to take you on a quick little tour in a second here, but this property here, we had a very specific tenant demographic. So there was two people we were looking for and focused our advertising on. One was someone that's older and needed a place with no stairs, wanted a quiet, beautiful community to live in. I'll just show you their view out their window, their main window, living room window. Nice treed, private. And then this here is a beautiful ravine with walkways and paths and that sort of thing. So we, very specifically targeted our advertising toward that demographic. And lucky us, we got a fantastic tenant. She was here for, I believe, 4 years, and planned to stay until she, needed to go into a home. She since has had some health problems and just needed a different place, so she's moved on. But let me just show you, when you choose your tenant demographic and advertise toward them, as we did then, this is the type of move out that you get. I mean, I showed up here to do a move out with her, and this, what I showed up to. It's a little dark in the video actually, but beautiful. I'm gonna try and stay out of the picture. This is not a fancy place by any means, but it's clean. Look how clean she left everything. Everything is so clean. That's what we want. So is there stuff that we have to do? Yeah. I'm going to replace these rings here because they're looking a little tired and old and make the stove look older than it should. But guys, this is what you get when you choose your tenant demographic, and this is what you want. This keeps the emotions out. As investors, this is the kind of stuff that you want. So choose your tenant demographic, choose it well, advertise to it, be very specific in who you want, and that's the person that you'll attract. We also advertise in two different ways for this one, as an active lifestyle place because of this ravine. Again, I'll just outside of this window. This ravine right here, not only walking trails, there's a dog park nearby. It's a very active area, but yet this is on a dead-end, quiet street where all of the kind of chaos, you have access to it from here, but it's all a little further away. So again, we focused our advertising on it. And so far, we've had people that are going, oh my goodness, please, can I see this place? Please, can I be first in line? And when you get that demographic, when you get that active lifestyler, you certainly get a certain type of person. Normally they value where they live, they value their lifestyle, they value good things, and that reflects in how they live and how they treat your place. So just wanted to show you the end result. We talk about tenant demographic a lot, but the end result of it as well, of the ease. Like I often will used to come into a move out and kind of be like, oh goodness, I hope that it's okay. This one I just knew, I'm just like, oh, I'll just show up and I know that it's going to be just fine. And there's a couple of little things that need to be done, but nothing that is a big deal at all. And so my stress level just stays nice and even, no emotion, nice and easy. And that's because of the tenant demographic that we chose, advertised to, pursued, and had living here for 4 years, paying down our mortgage. So sweetheart that, gave her a big hug when we left. We just had nothing but thank yous for each other. Move outs don't have to be stressful. I sent her the cleaning checklist. She knew clearly what needed to be done. She made sure it was all done because she's that type of person. So anyways, guys, choose your tenant demographic. Choose it wisely. Little here is, where are you? Where are you, boo? Just be patient. I'm almost done. And keep your investing a lot less emotional and a lot less stressful, and you can last longer so that, you know, they pay down your mortgages, your rents go up, the natural market appreciation kicks in. And that's really, really what investing is all about and can be a beautiful journey for. I will leave a little face. Cheers, everyone.